How to subscribe on Amazon Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you subscribe Amazon Prime Video. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Amazon Prime Video app on your device. After you open Amazon Prime Video with your account, you will get this type of interface. Now from here, to subscribe on Amazon, you'll have to select a series or video to begin the subscription. After you open a video, at the top you can simply find the subscribe option, like here it is available with Prime 7-day free trial. Simply tap on that option, and from here you can simply start your 7-day free trial, and after 7 days you have to just pay for that. Simply tap on the option start your 7 days free trial, and from here you'll have to just confirm with your payment method, like USD 5.99 per month, starting with 1 week free trial. After you complete with payment method, from here you'll be able to subscribe on Amazon Prime Video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.